Can you introduce yourself and explain your current role or major?
So, hello, my name is Axel. I come from France and I'm here in Polibatam for an internship of 4 months.
Hello, my name is Abdullah Shidiq Eka Putra. You can call me Shidiq. I'm majoring robotics engineer.
Okay, hello, my name is Kevin Indrawinata. I'm fourth semester majoring in electrical engineering, studying program of robotic technology.
What is your educational background or origin before joining Polibatam?
So, I come from Annecy and I'm from the University Savoie-Mont-Blanc.
I'm studying in Vocational High School, SMK Negeri 1 Batam, majoring mechatronic.
I was studying in Vocational High School of Kartini and majoring in mechanical engineering.
Did you choose to study at Polibatam independently, or were you assigned here by someone else?
So, it's not really us who choose, it's more we apply like a job and the university choose us for our major. So, because I was in electronic sensor, Polibatam chose me to come here in robotic.
Because there's not too many options in Batam in terms of engineering. So I choose Polibatam because Polibatam is one of the best engineering program in Batam.
I choose Polytechnic Negeri Batam because Polytechnic Negeri Batam have the major robotics engineer. I have interest with the robotics engineer because I think in the future we have to do all activities with the robotics technology.
What projects or activities are you currently working on at Polibatam?
So, I'm joining the project of mobile autonomous robots. So that's the project I have to do for the 4 months. But I also did some other activity like community service in elementary school or activities with the other club like the English club or things like that.
Right now, I'm joining a contest team of KSBI Broda or Omni Wheel soccer robot, and I'm in program divisions and focusing in microcontroller.
I have joined the team competition for robotics humanoid soccer. In this team, I have developed my skill to design the humanoid robot can play football.
How has your learning experience at Polibatam been so far?
I think it's good. There is a lot more people in here. I think about 11,000 people in the university. So it's a lot more than us in France. But the environment is still really good. Everyone try to help each other. We are like in a big room shared with everyone. And it's a good environment for study and learning.
How does the project-based learning method compare to your previous learning method, and are there any differences from that?
Yeah, different than in France. But like for the facilities in itself, I think you have more things for the robots, the like 3D printer, the computer, things like that. You have more than us in France.
It felt a little different from before because in vocational high school or in high school we got teach by our teacher, but in this Polibatam we learn by ourselves, we experiment by ourselves, and we do the thing ourselves.
Have you joined any competitions, and what was your most memorable experience?
Because I have joined competition team, I have participated to the competition in international. This is my best experience that I can go to the Eindhoven to competition with other robotics team in the world, and we got the third place on that competition.
I do join the Omni Wheel soccer robot contest in KRI in regional level at 2023. We win our contest in the regional level. We actually won in the first place. That's a little bit memorable. I gained a lot of teamwork experience because I've learned in my group and we learn as a group. And of course, the next time I got a chance to learn in Taiwan in the next August for 6 months.
What is your opinion on the project-based learning method at Polibatam?
I think it's a good approach. It can enhance your technical skills, and also having like a project group make you have skill in leading the other people, things like that. It's really helpful for your future work, I think, as engineer.
My project-based learning is humanoid robot. So I have to develop every year to the humanoid robot, such as how the robot can balance on the walking to the ball.
What do you think about the implementation of the CDIO method in Polibatam's learning process?
I think in Polytechnic Batam, we have the project-based learning and implement the concept of the CDIO. I think it's very good to us as a student to build or create our project because we have to concept, and we have to do design, we have to do implements, and we have to do the operate the concept that we have made at first.
What message or advice would you give to other students working on their PBL and CDIO?
Don't be afraid. CDIO support you to learn by yourself, so it might be a little bit difficult at first, but don't be scared because if you learn it enough, it can be really, really interesting and it can be fun.